Hey everybody, Dave here, Dave's Fit Life. Coming at you here. Coming at you. What does that even mean? I'm over here at the house and just wanted to see the Winter Wonderland that happened last night. It's quite spectacular. Just figured I'd show you. Snow is falling everywhere from the trees, and it's kind of cool. It's kind of beautiful, huh? Blue sky, sunshine. I just got home. It's about 9:30 in the morning. Look at that blue sky. Isn't that beautiful? Right there is perfect. Look at that. Yeah. Anyway, Dave's Fit Life. I'm home. I'm tired. Last night was my first night back at work, and I got to get some sleep. I should go walk. I should go exercise, but where am I going to walk in the snow? There's nowhere to walk. So I'm just going to take today off. I'm going to go inside and shower up, de-corona myself, and then hit the bed, try to get some sleep, and maybe this will all be melted. I think it's supposed to be like 54 degrees today. So anyway, I hope you're all happy where you are. Power line over there. Can you hear it? Look at my microphone. That's my sophisticated system. Snow is falling from everywhere. All right, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. All right, guys, Dave's Fit Life. Don't forget, click like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments down below. I'll see you next episode. Bye.